Welcome to your horoscope. Now in the Middle East and European people in English, you can know the benefits, edify occult sciences and report of today's work, and the goods for the work and the goods of the task. All of these you can know from your horoscope. You can contact for any problem through phone. So come to program 22 September to 30 September. You can know your weekly updates. Aries. This is the time to turn your dreams into reality. If you work hard consistently, there is no reason why you will not succeed it. But you will accept more than your work hard. You will improve. People of status and respect in society seem to be helping you. Taurus. Business will increase a good time income. The business will increase, further expanding your performance in the field of education, will improve your performance and hopes to meet your desires, and hopes will also get you in success in your purpose. Gemini. You need to work consistently to turn your hopes and dreams into reality. Inconsistency will bring you anxiety and mental problems. There is no possibility of domestic travel, whether it is for personal work or other students for academic purposes. You will get help from your elders, siblings, and friends. Cancer. It is a slightly better time in terms of business, but don't trust anyone in terms of finance, otherwise you will suffer losses. Loss is expected due to the partner in the partnership business, and don't lose caution while dealing in property. You are expected to be defrauded. You will have good relation with your partner. Leo. Academic performance will improve. If you want to go abroad for education or job, try it. During this period, you are expected to have a better arrangement. You will also perform well in the field of sports. This time will prove to be very important in relation your personal work. People who want to get married or negotiate at this time will make the relationship more stable. It will prove suitable for those people who are fond of doing movie theaters. They should take advantages at this time. Pay special attention to business. The problems are not known to be resolved. Health will be fine. Already ill people problem will not solve. Desires associated with others are expected to fulfilled. Virgo. At this time, working better with people within the family and to make peace on the house. It will be appropriate to relativity renewal relationships with the retirement relationships. We will also create a renewal relationship with the usual creation. That we can make change in your temperament and behavior. Libra. If you sell land or ride, you will get a good price. Your mind will be more involved in sports and entertainment. Relationship with mother-in-law will be planned. If you travel, you will not get success in your goals. Scorpio. During this period, the desire to travel and go to other cities of the country will increase. You will travel to earn money. There will be conflict regarding inheritance matters. Desires related to other will not be fulfilled easily. Sagittarius. This week, your focus will be on your financial affairs. By using your mental skills, you will prefer to earn rupees. Relationships with siblings will improve, and meeting them will be in a pleasant atmosphere. Capricorn. Money matters will become important for you this week, and it is very possible that you will have to go another city to collect money. Due to negligence of health, human may be ill, and those who are willing to get loans from financial institutes will also find it easy to meet their needs as expected. Aquarius. Financial conditions will improve, but you will lose your wealth in the circles of making money through easy means. You will pay attention to fulfill your attention. You will be happy with your elder siblings and friends. Pisces. This time is showing your increasing expenses, and in this period your adversaries will be more active, and they will try their best to harm you physically and financially. Relationships will be formed that will place you in good standing in society. You will pay attention to your social position and work hard to improve.